They really shouldn't have trusted us with this. Just mix it until you die. Happy Thursday!
Welcome back.
We're doing something super fun, super Christmassy, super festive, super magical.
We are, drum roll please, making
gingerbread cookies.
But,
Harry Potter gingerbread cookies.
Yeah, you couldn't hold it in.
I was too excited.
So we're gonna show you what we're gonna be using, and we don't know how this process is gonna go.
We have literally no clue. This is our very first time making gingerbread cookies. We're actually gonna be making like a more American version in that they'll be kind of softer. They won't have that snap. We like to bake, we enjoy it, and we're also doing, because I can't have gluten, this recipe is actually totally gluten-free. So we're gonna show you guys our ingredients right now. I kind of assembled them all together, so if you're watching this video and you wanna make them at home, you can get all your shenanigans together at once.
Yeah, let's take a look.
So here I've like measured out some stuff. We'll get into that a little bit later, but here are all of the ingredients that we've got today. We've got some of our spices, vanilla. This stuff smells like something I never want to eat, but we're gonna eat it today. This is the gluten-free baking mix that we use all the time, and we've never really struggled with it. So this is the one I recommend if you're trying to make your recipes gluten-free.
It's the King Arthur flour.
This I actually get at my local store. You might have to try to find it at like a Whole Foods if you live in an area that doesn't have a lot of gluten-free options. We have this guy.
We got it from Williams-Sonoma's.
Williams-Sonoma. It's a book with a recipe in it. Just kidding. It's actually our cookie cutters.
They were $24.95 on Williams-Sonoma, but there was a discount going on, so I think we paid like $19, almost $20 for it. So we are gonna see how much we can get our cookies to look like this. Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. We're gonna fail.
Let's do it. So first things first, you're gonna preheat the oven to 350. Step 2, you're gonna line baking sheets with parchment paper.
Nailed it.
Done. Third step, in a large bowl, you're gonna place the flour, and it also says xanthan gum.
If you have a gluten-free baking mix that doesn't have xanthan gum in it, then you have to add like a couple of tablespoons of that. However, ours does. So
no worries.
Nailing it. The recipe we're using today is actually gluten-free on a shoestring. We've used their recipes in the past to much success, so we're doing it again today. The amount of flour that I had already measured out earlier is 1.5 cups.
All right. Next is baking soda.
Baking soda, cinnamon, ginger, and salt. I put all in one here.
All right, and it is half a teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon ground ginger. Is that in there as well?
Yeah, so much ginger, you guys. So I whisk it all together.
To combine well.
All right, that we can handle. Get it in there all together, grooving and jiving. Ooh, it smells good, you guys.
We're gonna use a half a cup of the most perfect little cup of lightly packed brown sugar.
Oh, it's not focusing. Oh, it's pretty.
So nice.
Now we're gonna whisk that buddy to combine him in. And there might be some lumpies, but do your best.
It says to get those out though. Oh, so many lumpies.
Yep.
Why'd you give me the hard part?
You know, I felt like you could handle it. It smells like happiness and Christmas. Wow, you're doing a really great job.
You know what I just thought of?
What's that?
Is the point at which we're gonna have to put the molasses in
and
I don't
smell
know,
it.
You guys, no, but the texture through a whisk.
Oh, it might be painful.
I might have to bail out on you on that one.
I think that looks great. Just shuddy it. So I'm gonna cut him. Notch it right there. Ooh.
Did you put him in the well?
Sure did.
For
this
weapon
is
of
my
choice.
choice of weapon.
We're gonna...
It might be the wrong choice, but we're doing it live.
It didn't say to use a whisk or not. And we're not professionals here, so...
No, they really shouldn't have trusted us with this. Smash, mash. Oh yeah, this is going swimmingly. Said nobody ever. Next step, molasses.
Which is 4 tablespoons. You put in a tablespoon of...
We did not have honey, so I put in a maple syrup. Yum. That is like tar. There you go. Just mix it until you die.
But here's the thing, man. The oven's on, and I'm getting hot.
How's that work out?
I work out.
Make sure you don't stop breathing.
So we've done the best we could.
Yep. Morgan tapped out. I came in. So now the next step is 1 egg, and it has to be beaten before you incorporate it into the mixture.
Oh.
So we're gonna beat this guy, then we'll incorporate him into our mixture.
He's supposed to go in the well.
The last and final step of the ingredients is half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Said it's normal for the dough's gonna be kind of thick and sticky. So I know there's a lot of like, put it in the fridge and let it firm up. So if anything goes wrong in this process, I'm thinking it's gonna be that. There might be a lot of chilling going on. Transfer the dough to a large sheet. And then we're gonna cover that with another sheet of parchment paper and roll it into a rectangle about 3/8 inch. This is more than a 1/4 inch, less than 1/2 inch. And allow it to firm up before we use the cookie cutters on it.
So we are gonna pop this guy in the freezer right now. I'm gonna say about 10 minutes. Baby fridge. Maybe ton of fridge. Still very sticky, but we're doing it live. Well, I'm gonna do Harry Potter's glasses and the Deathly Hallows.
I'm gonna do the lightning bolt and a snitch. Place each cookie cutter into your gluten-free flour. Like in your way.
I think maybe that's working.
Look at your little snow angel. I'm trying to give you room.
Thanks.
Oh man, though. So we've chilled them for a second time, and now is when you're supposed to take away the scraps. Really don't know about this. You're gonna put your cutout shapes onto the baking sheet, which we've got over there. Then we're gonna chill it once more before baking, because that's gonna help it keep its shape. So we will be back, because this is gonna take a while.
This is a test in patience. If y'all don't have it, don't do this recipe. Got a little sad-faced.
These are gonna go back in to chill before we are gonna move them all together.
Yeah, because they're really soft right now.
So we just pulled them out of the freezer, and how is it? Do you think it's better?
It is better because they're not as soft. They're like holding a shape, but it is still very sticky. I mean, that's a snitch that's seen a World Cup.
Kudos to you for taking one for the team. You gonna help Mom out with the gingerbread?
Yes, I will. Oh, that's not great. It's not bad.
Start on the royal icing?
Yes.
All right.
That yesterday. Royal icing is basically just egg whites, vanilla, and powdered sugar. So we're gonna sip this, and we'll see you guys in about 20 years. This is a 1/2 cup. So there's 1 cup. There you go. All right, so that's 1 cup down. We'll see you when we got 4 cups.
Look at our 4 cups of snow sugar mountain.
We need 4 egg whites.
Fast forward.
Forgot what I was doing. Dump those guys in. Okay, there's that. So I want to see. Yes.
All right.
So we have put our cookies in the fridge for an additional like 10 minutes, and now we're gonna cook them on 350 for 8 minutes.
So we just pulled these out after 8 minutes. And it smells really good though.
It does, it smells like happiness and Christmas. So I'm gonna divvy out some for the yellow, because we have the yellow from this guy, the yellow for Morgan's Thunderbolt, Lightning Bolt, and then we have the yellow for the snitch.
So we're gonna need some black and yellow. Our yellow buddy. Put a little bit of orange on a toothpick, and we're gonna see what happens.
Yeah?
I guess. We'll see. So you're on your 4th cookie now? Any regrets?
A wonderkind with this now.
No, I just really like it.
Go ahead and pan to all your cookies that are done.
It feels like we left you guys a lifetime ago.
Yeah.
We didn't do so bad, you guys.
Yeah, are you ready?
I was really impressed.
This guy didn't turn out too bad. If I'm back far enough, the lines look really clean.
And you can see which ones we've most recently done. These are still kind of wet. That one's kind of dry and that one's kind of dry.
Royal icing is interesting.
After all that hard work, let's break it in half.
So it's soft and chewy for
Yeah.
sure. That's really, ooh, it's really soft and chewy. Whoa. The icing was like too much. The spice kicks
Oh, okay. I can't wait for that.
in. Nom 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 nom.
It's very soft, which I like. I like it. It tastes like a soft cinnamony type cookie.
Does it taste like a
I've had
gingerbread?
Gingerbread in the past. Didn't like it. This I could eat.
Yeah, that's good.
I also made butterbeer sugar cookies.
Someone
and
bit
now,
into this one.
yep, that was me. Just calm down. I wanted to see Morgan's reaction as to if it really tastes like butterbeer.
Right.
All right.
Yes. You used butterscotch chips in it, right?
Yes.
If you
so doughy.
guys want to know about the recipe or how we did it for the butterbeer cookies, comment down below.
Let us know if you want to
yeah.
see Jen make them, because she did this on her own. It takes a lot of patience, but I think it's like an awesome all day.
Yes.
Not all day, it felt like all day. This was really awesome to do, and I think if you don't like the traditional snap, like these are really soft and chewy. Highly recommend.
Morgan can't get enough of the butterbeer cookies.
It's good. So that's gonna do it for us this week, and we'll see you guys next Thursday.
Bye guys.
Bye.